Welcome back, guys. So right now, I want to use generative AI to create a LinkedIn post. So we can use different methods, but we use generative AI. You know what generative AI are? We have ChatGPT, we have Google Bard or Gemini. You can call it Gemini or Google Bard. Just to be Google Bard, it's not Gemini. We have Merlin. Merlin is a generative AI tool. So there are different generative AI tools you can use. But right now, I'll be using the most favorite one, which is ChatGPT. Everyone knows ChatGPT, of course, and I believe by now everyone has a ChatGPT account. If you are into social media, you should have it by now. So right now, what I want to do is I want to create a post using generative AI. Before I do what I wanted doing, I'm going to show you some trick. For instance, whatever you are doing, you can say as a tech instructor, I'll use myself. Whatever you are into, just input it. I'll say as a tech instructor, I want to create engaging content on LinkedIn. Give me topic suggestions as a thought leader. So let's just prompt this. I'll prompt something like this and let's see what it brings. So this is you creating content with generative AI. It starts with you finding ideas, and ChatGPT can easily do that for you. As you can see, it says imagine cybersecurity threats, the future of cybersecurity, saying all sorts of things. And you see we have different types of these because we have different contents coming out right now, and it brings different ideas you can work with. For instance, you can choose one of these ideas it's brought. You can choose one of those and you say maybe trends in graphic design 2024. So I can say create a post for me on this. I can just ask it to create a post for me on this. I'll say create a post for me on this. Okay, so I can use generative AI to create this post. I'll just paste the idea, which is trends in graphic design for 2024. Create a post for me on this, and yeah, I can just input that and let's see what it brings. It says as we continue to advance in the digital age, the world of graphic design is evolving at a rapid pace. So this is it right now. It's bringing different type of content. You can easily copy this. I don't advise you paste it just the way it gives you. You can copy it and edit to create posts. So you can create as many as possible posts that way. You don't need to lack what to post. That's just an example I'm giving you. So right now I want to use generative AI to refine what we did earlier on. You know, the daily motivation we downloaded. I have the daily motivation right here. Come to my downloads. This is the daily motivation post. I want to use this. I want to use generative AI to refine this. I'll just upload it. Look at this button here. It's for you to upload. I'm going to upload this. I'm going to upload from here. Downloads. I'm going to come to downloads. I'm going to upload this image to ChatGPT. I'm going to upload it right away, and I would say help me. I'll prompt help me create a motivational tech piece for my LinkedIn, for a LinkedIn long read. So let's see what that brings. I'm going to send that in, and that way it's going to refine what I just did here and it's going to turn it to something long. So let's see how it goes. And it says just make sure you remove some of these wordings. You are going to remove some of it, and yeah, let's see what it brings right here. I don't want to post this full content. All I have to do is to say summarize this for a short post. I'm just going to summarize that at last. So I'm going to summarize it for a short post, and I want it to be a simple narrative about the team. Let's do that right now. Let's prompt this right now. So I'm just going to summarize that just to have a short read from the long read. So it gives it a whole lot of context and you can use that to your advantage. So we are going to use that to post what we have, and yeah, so we are going to just copy this. This is very short. I love this. So I'm just going to copy this from here. I'm going to copy this from here to this place, and I'm going to create a LinkedIn post right there. It's just as simple as that. We were able to create the design from Canva, and we're going to use generative AI to create a post. Then we're going to use the image. We're going to use the image and the post generated from Canva. We're going to use it as a content. So it's as simple as that. Creating content is very easy in today's world because of generative AI and all the AI tools we have. Canva is an AI tool itself, but not a generative AI tool. It's just a design AI tool. So we can just use this post right here, the daily motivation post. I'm going to open it and I'm going to post it here on LinkedIn by using the image icon, and I'm going to just paste what I add from ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it right here, and I can remove that and start from here. I'll say staying positive can be a game changer, as Delia Delia Lima says, I'm going to just, as Delia Lima says, just one. I'm going to just come like this. I'll say just one small positive thought in the morning can change the whole day. So I can just come down this way and say starting your day with a positive mindset can boost creativity, improve problem solving, enhance team collaboration, and increase productivity. I'm going to do this. I'm going to imagine facing your daily tech challenges with a solution-oriented approach, inspiring your team with enthusiasm and celebrating small wins. Okay, and you say by embracing positivity, you set the stage for personal and professional growth. So tomorrow morning, or you can just say so this morning. So I'm still in the morning. You can say so this morning instead of saying tomorrow morning. That's why I said you need to edit whatever it prompts for you. I can say so this morning. Take a moment to think positively and see how it transforms your day and your career. I can just do this. What will your positive thoughts be? So I'm going to use that, and I'll be able to create a post this way. Just a full post has been created without using so much effort. So I'm going to just do some formatting. I have a Lingo Jam I use for formatting. The website is called Lingo Jam Boot Text Generator. I'm going to use it to format the content so that I have something enticing for people. So I can say this, I can copy these quotes just to have that in quotes. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here in Lingo Jam, and I'm going to have something like this as my quote. I'm just going to copy something like this and copy this. I'm going to copy this right now and come back to my LinkedIn to paste that. I'm going to use Ctrl V to paste that. Yeah, so I'll be able to paste that, and here we have this, and here we have this. So what will your positive thoughts be? I'm going to format that as well just to make it look unique. I'm going to paste it right now. Ctrl V to paste it, and I'm going to have something like this. I'm going to copy these bold sans. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come back here to post on LinkedIn. So I'm going to Ctrl V it to paste it, and here we have a full post, a fully blown post. Yeah, so I have a post right now, and I'm going to post it right away. That's how to create content on LinkedIn, and it's one of the ways to create content on LinkedIn. So I'm going to post it right now and have that as a post. So I'll be able to create a post from using generative AI to using a design tool, and I'm going to post it in a group, and that way I have a post already, and we'll be able to create a content like that using generative AI and using a design tool. And to create a content on LinkedIn is as simple as that. I'm going to see you in the next lesson where we get to talk more about creating content here on LinkedIn. While I wait for this to come up, I'm trying to post it in a group again, and I'm waiting for that to come up right now so I can post that and round this up. So I have this right here. I'm going to post it to the group, and I have a post to the group and for my personal page. So when I check my page on LinkedIn, you see the post right now. This is the post I just created, and that way it looks good, and you can create yours as well. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.